but I will support MKP because that's how they are. Their DNA is ANC. So I said to him, that thing he did with MKP, I had asked him to do it with the EFF, that you don't have to be a member, you don't have to do anything. Endorse the EFF and say, this is the party of choice, and although I remain a member of the ANC, but I will be voting for this political party. Unfortunately, that did not happen. But because I'm not Shumana, I'm not scared to propose. So if you deny my proposal or refuse my proposal, it's okay.
You move right along.
I've made an attempt, and as I listen to the language spoken now by President Zuma, it might be this or that.
Happy birthday. You are now 43. That is a very good age in the circumstances in which we are. I want to wish you happy birthday and wish you and all of us to change the country this year, whether they like it or not. We must win with 2/3 majority. And you'll be saying, when I got to this level, I was 43. That is a good age. Enjoy, do whatever you want, but be ready that we must have our 2/3 as a black majority in this country. Then we'll sort out other things thereafter.
It's not the
Thank you very much.
It's not the party except MK. So they are trying all tricks. They're going to the courts. They want to stop MK from registering. But MK, please, ANC, listen. MK is a Mkonto Wesizwe. You're talking about the Military Veterans Association, which the ANC disbanded years ago. It's not the same. You don't have a trademark on this MK logo. So what gives you the right to claim that MK belongs to you? You got no chance in court. But we are sending a loud and clear message that if these courts, which are sometimes captured, if they stop MK, there will be anarchy in this country. There will be riots like you've never seen in this country. There'll be no election. No South African will go to the polls with MK.
Sorba.